Hi everyone, happy Friday. Today we are going to be finding out what is the switch on the back of your Brother Project sewing machine is for. There are two symbols here. One of them has two triangles with a line over and two triangles with a line going through the top of the triangles. What this switch is, this switch lowers your dog teeth. Dog teeth are these little teeth over here. You feed your fabric through it, and this controls the direction of your fabric if you want to back stitch and front stitch. So when I move the needle, it goes up and down. Let me bring my needle up. Now I'm going to move the switch to the left. Let's see what happens. And you see, your teeth went down. It doesn't go up fully, and it doesn't go down fully. Let me hit the switch to the right. So even though I put the switch to the right, the teeth are still down, but you move your needle and then you hear that click. That means that your teeth are up normally. Now the teeth go fully up. I can touch them with my finger. And when you put the switch to the left, you're gonna hear that big click. There we go. And now let's move our needle. And now you see that the teeth don't go up. I'm not touching them with my finger. Now let's turn our sewing machine to the front. So we have our sewing machine on the front. Now we're going to sew like normal. Less back stitch. Our needle is moving backwards, straight. So you see our stitch is straight, kind of straight. Now let's put our switch to lower our teeth. You hear that big click. There we go. That lowered our teeth. So our teeth are down. We're going to try and sew. You see that the fabric is not moving. We're going to have to move it ourselves. You do this by just moving your fabric on your own. It does take some pressure. Let's try to make a circle. I try my best to make a circle. This is the back. So it takes some skill, as you can see, to sew without the teeth. And this is called freehand stitching or free motion sewing. Some people lower their teeth to do quilting. There are actually some presser feet that allow you to move your fabric freely, because this has a lot of pressure and it's a little bit hard to maneuver your fabric. I do have some presser feet that will allow me to do the free motion stitching. I haven't familiarized myself with these yet, so that will be for our future video. I bought these three in Amazon, but Brother does make their own version. I'm not sure how to put these in the sewing machine. You cannot just change your foot like normal. You're going to have to do something, because even if you lift your foot, it doesn't let me put it in like normal. I think you have to do something, but that will be for a future video. I will upload it soon. Hopefully I can figure this out, but I just wanted to let you know that there is some presser feet that will allow you to do the free quilting motion. So thank you everybody for watching. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites. Have a good weekend.